Hey, good morning. I'm Chuck. Welcome to my channel. I'm walking over to my Sany. Last night, I got a message from a viewer who was interested in this Sany. So I told him I would do at least a walk around and try to familiarize, the controls and whatnot with you guys out there, whoever's interested. So I dug this hole the other day. If you guys can see that. There's water down there. Drop a rock. I wanted to see if I had any water I could put a pipe down in there for irrigation for just plants and whatnot, not for drinking water. I don't really want to use it for drinking water. But yeah, welcome to the Sany. You got this door with a hinge on it, or a latch I should say. Pretty standard for the cab. The cab itself, I've had this thing for about 50 hours and it's been dry, so it's pretty dusty in here, but I'll see if I can't give you a brief walkthrough. Let me try and run through these panel controls with you. I'll turn it off. Dumb thing. Sorry, my fingers. This little button here with the little book, you press that one. Gives you the main menu, your operating auxiliary. Where's that? Oh, here it is, this button here. Go this way. There. You've got different controls for your auxiliary. Right now it's on the thumb, or you could use a hammer on it, I suppose. But I'm not sure all these other ones. I'm a clamshell and whatnot, and the rock pickers, swivelers. But yeah. Alright, go backwards. Go back to this one. There we go. Quick coupler control. Let's go over there. Click on that one. Active quick coupler. Unlock quick coupler. So you have all these are in the lock unlock mode. I don't have those. Oops. No. Press the button, shut it off, go backwards. Time calibration, system unlock, reserve, I don't know what those are. But yeah, that is your panel in a nutshell. I mean, quick overview. I didn't really go into it. You got your fast and your low speed. It doesn't really go fast, I'll tell you. It's not, you can walk a whole lot faster than this thing will crawl. Yeah, there you go. But, yeah, it's got this window here. It's pretty standard. The window just slides up, locks into place. So you can have a little bit more view. It's kind of misty, rainy this morning, so I didn't want to have to turn on the windshield wiper every once in a while. The key, where's the key? Here's the key. Comes with this. One for the door, one for the ignition. Here's your ignition back in here. And I don't know how. I've tried and tried, but I can't figure out how to turn the radio off. So bear with me while I start this thing up. Turn it over here for the glow plugs to start in. See, there goes the stupid radio. And then it's got this little daily maintenance information deal. Check the oil, check the hydraulic oil, blah blah blah, all the way down. And there's a little check button. Get rid of the dust on there. And you hit this. And then you just turn this little button right here. Oh, I should say before you start this thing, this arm, it can't be down in that position to start it. It needs to be up. So we'll just turn the key switch until it starts. And then we can put this arm down. The thumb attachment right here. Down underneath there's one little button down underneath there. It's a horn. Maybe it's not a horn. I thought it was the horn. There's your thumb attachment. So I'm going to set this camera up and see if I can't give you guys a little demonstration. Here's my 50-hour maintenance requirement. Replace the engine oil, check, and the filter, did that. Check and adjust the fan belt, I did that. Check the tightening torque of the nuts and bolts, I did that. Right now you can see it's got the little jackhammer thing. That's the thumb that's attached to it. It does have air conditioning in this unit. Hope that's not going to be too herky-jerky. I'm going to dial up the power here. This is not really where I want to have my pump. So I'm going to backfill this. It's going to be a little soggy in that area for a while, but that's all right. I used to run a machine. I used to build swimming pools. So I used to dig a lot of swimming pool holes, but it's been probably 15, maybe more, maybe like 17 years since I was even on a machine. Well, I probably rented one for the property in that time span, but maybe for a weekend. But it comes back to you pretty quick. I'm teaching my son, he's 16, teaching my son how to do this. I was going to put this stick in here so I knew where it was. I'm going to say it's a 5-foot blade on the front of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's probably about a 5-foot blade. Your quick disconnects, I don't know how quick they are. I don't think they're just slap it on, slap it off. I think you got to wrench them on, wrench them off. Yeah. There you go. One wrench. The bucket here, to change out the bucket, I have a 3-foot bucket with no teeth on it. You have this one bolt you have to take off right here. And then I think there's a pin, yeah, this pin right here. There's a pin down in there. It pops through and then you're done. It's pretty easy. It doesn't take very long. But yeah, just give you guys a quick overview here. It's got lights up there. There's a mirror. I don't use it. Keep it out of the way because you go through some brush and it'll just rip it off. It's got a light up there. I'm surprised it's still up there. I've gone through some brush. You know, I'm not too cautious when it comes to this thing. I kind of go a little crazy, so I'm surprised it's not dented up more in my first 50 hours. I did put a dent right here. I already hit it right here with the tree. Big stump. But yeah, all in all, it's a good little machine. Down inside here, should grab the keys. What did I do with them? There you go. Let's see if that one will do it. Down inside here, it's got this controller that'll go back and forth between what is it, Cat and John Deere. I've run them both before, and it takes about a half hour before you remember which way to go. But I tried them both and I said, oh, I like this one the better. So that's where I'm sticking with I think they're Cat controls, what I'm running on now. But yeah, all in all, good little machine. I'll show you the engine. Try the other one. Maybe it's just a push. Oh, it's just a push. It's not locked. I was in here before. So yeah, there's the new filter I just put on. Last one was black. And this is I think this is the air conditioner unit. If you use too big of a oil filter in here, it comes into these pipe areas. That's what the guy told me. So you have to run this one, which is a little shorter for my particular unit because I have the cab. But yeah, it's a tiny little Yanmar engine in here. Not much to it. I'll show you the oil reserve area up here on the side. Is that a push too? No. You gotta push down when you do it. Hold on, I gotta get my arm up here. Put some pressure on here. There it goes. Now I can lift it up. It's got a little lock right there. There's your oil reserve and your hydraulic. Yeah. Not much to these little guys. I mean, pretty simple. I'm sorry. That's your diesel. That's not your oil, that's your diesel. I don't know what I was thinking. Where you put your gasoline, your diesel, fuel, your fuel. Lock that back up. All right. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to show you guys. Hope that was explanatory enough. Happy digging.